Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Qurban Ali Kolachi from the floor of British Language College, representing representing the channel QL Virtual Academy. It is my request that you should subscribe and like my channel and press the bell icon so you may receive new notification of the latest video. So let's go our our topic. Honorable, today our topic is speech. Today we go to speech. So let's start. Honorable Chief Guest, my respected teachers and all my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Whenever does anyone ask in the world who is the founder of the Pakistan, the name of the Qazi Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah inevitably come on that tongue. He did a great job to achieve his ambition for a nation which should be written in the golden golden words. And here I am going to elaborate a short speech on Qaida Azam 25th December. Or we can say it is the anniversary of Qaida Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He was an influential, committed and honest person. And he was a very much stubborn in a sense that when he decided to do something, no matter how difficulties the task is, no matter what difficulties were in the way, he just continued his struggle and strived hard for a success and achieved his goals. It was 25th December 1876 when this great personality of Pakistan was born in Karachi. His father's name is Jinnah Puja. Jinnah was very keen and serious to his work, so from the start he had the urgency of learning and acquiring knowledge. And that was the reason that he went to London for his higher education and practiced the law there and returned back to Bombay as a lawyer Muslims. His dad needed a lawyer in the favor of because they were being ruled out by a cruel and thrashing behavior of British and Hindus बात वो मुल्क बनाने का जज्बा जो हर एक दिल में बसता था वो मुल्क बनाने का जज्बा जो हर एक दिल में बसता था बाहर निकला जज्बों से मिला और मिलकर बना तूफान एक फहम और फरासत ने उसने जज्बों की क़यादत ऐसे की वो कायदे आज़म कहलाया और बानिए पाकिस्तान बना. In the early ages, Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a huge ambassador of two-nation theory that suggested there are two different people living in the subcontinent and both should be treated equally, having similar rights. But due to unfair treatment of Hindus, Mr. Jinnah realized that it was of no use and thus he laid the foundation of the first ever Muslims political party when he formed the All India Muslim Leagues in the 1919. It was his great effort that brought all the Muslims of the subcontinent under the only one single leader and only one ideology, which is leading towards the independence. Jinnah realized that Muslims were one nation who should have a separate homeland because they have their own values, culture, and religious obligations. So, from the perspective, he started starving and consuming the people to moving on the road to freedom. And sooner than later, he is successful in the gathering an enormous army working on his footsteps. The entire world at that time was astonished by the migration and was so impressed by the leader that conversation were being forward from the entire world to Jinnah for his success. For this very reason, there is an inverse of poem from a patriotic national song, which says that आज़ाद हैं आज़ाद रहेंगे ये मुसलमान ए कायदे आज़म तेरा एहसान है एहसान यूं दी हमें आज़ादी के दुनिया हुई हैरान यूं दी हमें आज़ादी के दुनिया हुई हैरान ए कायदे आज़म तेरा एहसान है एहसान. So being Muslims and also being Pakistani, we should pay tribute to this misprising leader. One nation can ever have only difference between the Pakistan of today of time of independence is that at that time of were Muslims were having a nation but no separate homeland. But now we do have a separate homeland. But unfortunately, our nation has lost in the darkness. बेअसर हो गए सब हुर्फ नवा तेरे बाद क्या नहीं दिल के जो अहवाल हुआ तेरे बाद तू भी देखे तो जरा देर को पहचान पाए तू भी देखे तो जरा देर को पहचान पाए बदली को कूचे की फिजा तेरे बाद और तो क्या कैसे पे माँ की हिफाजत होती और तो क्या कैसे पे माँ की हिफाजत होती हमसे एक ख्वाब संभाला न गया तेरे बाद Today I am appeal to all my followers to leave the sects and kick the hate and become one to make progress because by doing so soul of the Qaeda Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah will remain in a rest and peace. Thank you very much. I hope you all understand my language and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.